Namaste Yogis. Today my topic is very informative called Kumbhak Pranayama. So Kumbhak Pranayama for if you are losing energy, your memory is not sharp enough, you're forgetting the things, and to work on your physical appearance. So if you're a sincere yogi, if you are practicing daily, you are into pranayamas, you are into yoga. So today I'm going to show you a few techniques, of course, Kumbhak Pranayama, and also how can you be healthy. You can check by yourself. You should check your nadi. I will show you nadi parikshan in yoga. Why is it important for a yogi? We should know what time to practice this, what time to do other practices, what time to eat, what time to sleep. It's all concerned with your nadis. So this video is going to be very informative. Please watch the video fully and learn. So as I mentioned, physical problems. Physical problems if you're having headaches, for example, if you're having migraine. So instead of going into medicine, you can do it by yourself. Because why? First, we should know why is it happening. What is the root? What is the cause of migraines or any kind of physical problems, mental problems? You have a lot of stress, you have a lot of anger, you're losing your control, you don't have no concentration. Why? Because your right nostril is more active. Why I'm saying right? Because the right nostril is showing the sun. Means you're having a lot of heat, you're having a lot of energy. So what it means that we should make it less and we should activate the other side. If you could know, if you could remember only this secret of your pranayama and then Kumbhak Pranayama, improve your mental working, you can improve your memory only after this, only after practicing these yogic methods. So as I mentioned, please watch the video fully. It's going to be very much informative. So first I will come on Kumbhak. Actually, I have separate videos on Kumbhak Pranayama, but in this video, because we are talking about the ailments, we are talking about the problems. So that's why just to define Kumbhak a bit is required. So Kumbhak means, it's a Sanskrit word Kumbhak. Kumbhak means to hold, to restrict. So if we are, for example, I'm taking my prana, I'm doing my practice, I hold my breath. For example, I held it on my diaphragm. So this is called Antar Kumbhak, means I'm holding it internally. The second phase is the same prana when I will exhale. Now I stopped, I paused. So this is called Bahya Kumbhak. So there are two kinds of Kumbhak, one internal, second external. With Kumbhak, you can work on all these phases. If you're feeling low, if you're feeling down, means you need more power. So what you need to do, one side is going down, the other side you put more attention. Means my energy is going down. What is the cause? Why is it happening? And what Kumbhak does, it boosts. Its working is to boost. Same concept. If the water is flowing and we make those dams, and what happens, the water flows from the height. Those turbines, what they do, they rotate. They are rotating fast and the water hits. And what happened, the explosion, the signs that energy activates. Same, our energy is stopped, it's very dim, means now we have to push, we need to push something inside internally. So that's for your activation of energy. So Kumbhak Pranayama, the energy which is asleep, to make it awake. Now second thing, so these things just to apply and you should try. Let me know, is it working or not? What are other practices you are doing? So to know how is your practice going. Now the second thing, as I mentioned, Nadi Parikshan. Nadi is concerned with our nerves, So we should know the nerves. If we could know, if we even we could have this basic knowledge about nerves, we can improve, we can grow very fast. So how to know? So if you wake up in the morning, tell me which nodi you think it's more active, it's dominant. Check by yourself when you wake up in the morning. Just put your finger maybe on the right or on the left nostril. You will exactly know which nostril is more active. As Swami Ramdev mentions, these are the basic workings which work, and for a yogi, they should know, they should learn. Without these, you cannot grow. So, what you get on this channel, this information, you will not get on other platforms. Because I always bring that authentic information of yogic practices. So, second, we are working on Nadi Parikshan. So, Nadi Parikshan, these are majorly for your mental problems, even though they are very effective in physical ailments. If I take only headaches, if I take stress, if I take your migraines, so they are concerned with physical problems, but with Nadi Parikshan, we can work on them. Remember, we have to activate our left nasal. So what we do, we activate the left, so we'll close the right. What you should do, you should activate. In this activation, we are inhaling only with left and we are exhaling through the left only. So this time we are not using the right anymore. What will happen? The left passage will start to open. So try this, activate your proper nadis and put in your comments. If you are looking for some other information, then write in. I would be very happy to make another video to mention separately what is the role of left nostril, what is the role of right nostril, because you should know. You should know these practices properly. That's why the working will be better. So hope this video was very informative. You enjoyed. If you like, please press the like button, put the comments below, share video, and if you're on my channel, please subscribe it so you get all the videos on time. So thank you so much for watching. Namaste.